guys, ngayon ay pupunta kami sa Evergreen kasama si Aurora.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Party. Let's go, samahan nyo kami. Yeah, kakaroon. Sasakyan na pa dito. Let's go guys! Samahan nyo kami kasama si Aurora. Where's the sun?
It's the... Yan, maganda. Hi!
Hi! Oh,
Lang, look
say
here.
hi, Mommy! Sinatawag ni Ilong. Where are you going, Inday? Inday, where are you going? Inday? You go to?
Oh no, happened to Mama's nose.
Oh, it's okay. Where are you going? You're going to? Hi guys! Andito si Aurora. Where's the... Uy, Aurora? Uy, I'm scared. Oh.
Don't yell.
Huh.
Okay.
Yes
Don't
po.
yell Okay po.
Ha? Taka lang kag yawit da. Oh. Makulit si Ori. Ang imong antipara. Uy, nahulog. Ala. Uy, Ilong. Sino makulit, Inday? Makulit si Ori. Saan gagala si Ori? Ay. You're going to?
This year, Mama.
You're going to Disneyland. Naka-eyeglasses ka lang. You're going to Disneyland na. You're going to Disneyland with Mama? Aww. How about Papang?
And Mama.
Papang and Mamang. One, two. Ay! Where are we going?
Go to Disneyland, Mama.
We're going to Disneyland. With Papang and Mamang?
And Mommy.
Hindi mo kasi sinasabi.
How about Daddy? Daddy too.
Where's daddy lang?
Where's Daddy?
That is working.
Daddy's working. Daddy's working.
Mamimigay lang kami ng flyers or...
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Evergreen. Ala.
Lang. That's not funny anymore.
Okay.
Okay.
Papa.
Yes, Papa.
Here, Papa.
Yes, Papa.
Go. Dangerous.
Dangerous thing.
Go.
That's dangerous thing.
Go.
Ang chill.
Dangerous. Go. Dangerous. Go.
Alam niyo yung sign ng dangerous?
Go.
Means...
Green means
Go.
go. And red means
Go. It's go, Mama.
stop, Mama. Okay, that's good.
Umiiyak yung nanay kasi
Bakit?
pinaprank ng anak niya. Naliligo siya, tapos pinaprank siya ng anak. Hala, ni Chris. Nagsisisi ako, binoto ko si Bongo.
Sige, kalma lang, sing.
Don't you worry.
Nagsisisi daw siya.
Ito ba dahil siya election?
Don't you worry.
Don't you worry.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Sing.
Nina?
Yes.
Oh. Sing, ikaw lang.
Sing ng
At-
Mang, pakantahin
at-
namin yan, Mang. Si Ori sa birthday niya.
Oh, sige. Ito na yung sign na sa summer kasi green na, wala nang snow, konti na lang. Kaya nga nandito tayo sa Evergreen, makikita yung mga puno na green. Spring pa pala, magi-spring pa. Malapit na kami sa Evergreen Park.
A white horse casino.
Wala namang mga ano dyan.
Evergreen Park.
Tara na.
Tara na, Inday.
Tara.
Tara.
Wala akong makikita ang bata mang si Ori na punta dito.
Ito puno. Puno naman.
Parking.
Tora Energy Services.
Ito. Oh,
Hi,
Look, Ma'am.
Inday! Say hi!
say
Hi.
Where's Mommy, Inday? Maraming bata daw.
isa raman itong tip.
Oh.
Burger.
Oh, what's that?
Burger.
Oh, we're waiting to Mommy for our food. Inday, right?
Yeah. Hamburger.
Hamburger. What's that, Lang Lang? What's that?
But kissing game, baby, I like kissing real.
Sing. Ah, pata.
Crab yan, crab.
Ah, crab pala.
Ah, medyo mangkong na.
Manghang?
May aftertaste.
Dito ang ano ko tihan.
Diyan mo na yung phone mo. Sige na,
Bye-bye.
video kayo madami, tsaka
Yan, okay.
kain kayo madami.
Bye, Inday.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Walang ticket si Ma? Walang eh. Delete lang sounds. Kinsa?
5 ka tokens.
8 pesos.
Lami. What's that?
Oops.
Shrimp it.
Yummy. Drink.
Meringue.
Siya pangalan mo?
Meringue. Caesar mix.
Murag na yung tomato, no?
Oo. Sarap. Pupus ka. Ang sarap, grabe. Isang ounce ng wine.
Ha?
Isang ounce ng white wine.
Ah.
Asan ang chicken? Ngunit ito,
Libre siguro, libre.
Good to hear all of that. 6 for this, 5 for that.
Asim! Sarap. Ang sarap. Ano siya? Strawberry
Strawberry.
wine.
awesome prize is going out tonight.
Sarap.
It would not be possible without our sponsors, Winter Forest, Romero Distillery, and don't forget aftermarket is at the Canadian Brewhouse.
Yeah, 6. What would you like to have? What's spicy salsa? This one. This one? I try that one. There you go. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you. Oh, salsa. Good. Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Indo. 6 token. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's go, Pam.
Yeah, those are just 6. Good. Is that good? Red. What's that? Red wine? How's the taste?
Maybe the red wine with coffee.
Ah, coffee. Coffee wine.
Coffee wine.
Coffee wine.
Busog naman si Papang Abay. Ha? Ha? Pila ka pon? Dua? Dua? Saan na tinapay? perfect.
Lagi na.
Ah.
Paglabas tayo. Thank you.
Hello.
Can I share here? Sarap. 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 Ha? Grabe, sarap. Ang sarap, no? Grabe. Halos di na magkasya sa bunganga. Sarap, no? Kainin mo lahat yan, sayang. Ang sarap, Robbie. Lalasing na yan.
Nalasing sa sarap.
Lalasing sa sarap. Sobrang sarap. Grabe, promise. 1D lang to, kaya sulitin. Ang sarap ng mga pre-test. Kaya nga pre. Ayan dito, do. Ito. Do.
One more Caesar. Yep. Just, right.
Dito.
Simple lang kamatis, oh, pero piti.
Kamatis.
Pero piti.
Ang batong. Ang batong.
Batong.
Lambi kayo, tanawa. Lami, no? Say, ano? Sabor.
Piti-piti man. Pork toppings.
Indian food.
Ha?
Indian food.
Indian pot?
For 4 tokens.
4 tokens.
Red wine.
Ha? Red wine, Japon?
Yung best yung vodka. May vodka. Sarap! Balik-balik na itong chips. Balik-balik.
Pilsen.
Yes, there.
Pilsner.
Yes, there. Oh. Tinapay na lang last. Para kay Aurora.
Someone
Naubog na po. Magaling sa Aurora.
natulog? Wala eh.
Moming baby. Kawawa naman yun eh. Ay, gising. I
Ach!
have present for
Ach!
you. It's a bread. Oh,
Ach!
ay,
Ach!
chicken.
Ubus na? Ubus na? Yung ano nyo?
Ah. Mga hulog. Tanawa, mga hulog.
Hindi kayo kumuha na ito?
Meron, pero naubos na. Kawawa naman ang apo ko eh.
Let's go.
Let's go na.
Buy chicken.
Like chicken, Inday?
Buy chicken.
Wala na. Yung kita, papang, na mahulog na do. Chicken, papa. Grabe, daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Ang saya! Oh, first time kong naka-attend. For how many years ako dito sa Canada, first time kong naka-attend. Free taste daw lahat. Oh my gosh, lahat natikman ko. Sobrang nagsaya si Inday at saka si Dudong. Next time ulit, ate. Inday, are you happy? I was eating bread. Yummy, super yummy. First time si mamang papang nag-attend. Next time ulit. Grabe. Lahat ng mga tinitinda dito sa Grand Prairie ay andyan. Lahat ng wine, makikita mo. Yes! Yes!
Hindi lang sa Grande Pere, pati Edmonton pala.
Grabe.
Sila nagstay mang.
Sa inyo nagstay.
okay,
Kayo
may
may free. Grabe, next time ulit. Alam lang, di ka sasama. Dapat may magbabantay sa'yo. Are you hungry? Aru's happy? Yes? Oh, Aru's eating bread. Yummy, Inday, right?
Nakulog niya itong chicken din, tulog ko.
Oh,
4 pieces. So 12 pieces of classic boneless and 12 pieces spicy bone-in, please.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Uwi na.
Dumaan kami dito sa likod ng aming bahay. At yan yung mga planta. At madadaanan din namin tong nagbibinta ng mga buhangin. Bato-bato. Mga apartment din dito. Magkaharap-harap. Maraming apartment. Circle K. Ayan yung Circle K. Hi! We're here now! Yes! Hi, Inday! Just wait a minute. Okay, your headband. I grab your headband. Your water. Your juice. Your chicken. Okay, let's go! You're hungry, Inday? Oh, hungry namang baby namin. Hungry na bata?
This one not spicy, this one is spicy. Okay?
Ketchup.
No?
Kararating lang namin. Andito na si Aurora. Inday. Oh, you're hungry? Yan si Aurora. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, Lily Baclayo Vlogs, para kasama ko kayo sa aming paglalakbay dito sa Canada. Bye! See you in my next video.
Saka.